Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Kalamata, Greece in the city center, September 1st around 11 o'clock at night 2023. I haven't been here in about 5 years. I'm going to walk around and see what's going on. I'm starting over here by the restaurants. I'm going to end up by the March 23rd square and see how crowded it is on a Friday night. So they have some live Greek bands singing here. So right now it's not super crowded, I would say. But I just got here today in the afternoon and I didn't try to go to the beach until about 5 o'clock and it was kind of dead on the street, so I was wondering, you know, since it's September 1st, are people back to work in Europe, or did all the people that were all the people that were at the beach earlier in the day now home taking a nap, getting ready to come out late at night for dinner like a lot of these people here? So I'll know more tomorrow in the daytime when I see how crowded the beaches are. These restaurants are pretty full, so that's a good sign. So I see most of the crowd is around by the singers.
Παρότι το καλοκαίρι τελειώνει σιγά σιγά, εμείς δεν πτωούμαστε και πάμε να ταξιδέψουμε.
Δεν τελειώνει, μας μπερδεύσατε, παρακαλώ, εμείς θα πάμε να κάνουμε μπάνια.
Παρ' όλα αυτά εμείς θα ταξιδέψουμε, Μαρία, μουσικά.
Όχι! Τελείωσε! Όχι!
Πάμε να ταξιδέψουμε λοιπόν.
Yeah, we're not finished yet.
Αυτό το καλοκαίρι το λέει η Μαρία δεν τελείωσε.
I've only been to Kalamata. I think this is my third time coming here, and it's not a huge city, but I really like it. And I like these smaller kind of second, third tier kind of cities. So I prefer like a Kalamata to a big Athens, or like a Valencia to Barcelona or Madrid kind of thing. So it's big enough that it has like a city and it has everything you need, but it's not so huge that you can't get around it easily. Last time I was here, this was a lot more crowded. I think it was more like maybe mid-August. The place is pretty busy. Nice. nice old buildings over here. You know, looking at Google Maps, I thought this place was too far from my Airbnb to walk, so I was trying to get a cab, which is not very easy when you're on these small streets at night. And I even tried, no thank you, I even tried Uber and Free Now, which used to be the Beat app in Athens, and there's no cars available, or maybe they just don't operate out here, I don't know. But anyway, I just ended up walking, and it's not that far really. So still a lot of restaurants open at this time. Some horse and buggies going through the street. I didn't know that. So this street had a lot of bars, or the next one over. Oh, this is the one. So yeah, this place this street was really crowded with bars last time, and it is again. This candy shop, I don't remember, maybe it's new. So let's see. All right, so the crowds are definitely out Friday night. Greek craft beer. Rock bar. Every place I see a rock bar, it's usually pretty good. In Patra, in Bratislava, I get something to eat. So yeah, still a lot of people eating. We got this old church over here. And this is the roundabout over here, the 23rd of March square or platea or whatever you want to call it. If you want to catch a taxi, you'll probably catch it from here. But yeah, still a lot of people out here. And a little more stuff up here. Let's see. So just the other side of the old church. Yeah, these places are pretty full, like 85% or something. Wow. Very cool. Back over here at the old church. So guys, that's a look at what's going on in Kalamata at the city center on September 1st, 11 o'clock at night. Everybody's out. Even I'm gonna go get a beer and maybe a souvlaki or something. So hope you like this one, and if you're thinking of coming out here, there's still very good crowds out here, so come on down. So I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.